I found working with the Encom team very pleasant and no problems whatsoever. Any difficulties, they smoothed them out very quickly. I thoroughly would recommend Encom. Well, I thought I had a nice flat roof. I thought an ideal situation for solar panels. I have a friend in Dunhedee who's in the business and he recommended Encom. But I charge electric car with it and it all seems to be going very smoothly. Particularly when the sun's shining, it's very good. And even when the sun's not shining, it's very good. Anyone thinking of going solar, I would thoroughly recommend it. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking of doing the same in the house that I've just left, which my daughter now lives in. And I've asked Ian from Encom, who I find very helpful. So I'm looking forward to progressing with that.